Hey everyone, this is for the Mac Mini 2011 2.3 gigahertz with 2 gigabytes of RAM and 500 gigabytes of hard drive. Comes with Intel Graphics HD 3000 and ThunderBolt and iCore 5. I'm planning to use as a Mac Mini server, but I didn't buy the Mac Mini server because the Apple's crazy trying to charge $1,000 for something that I can do with a regular Mac Mini, and when I can just buy the actual OS X line server. But since this is the week before, supposedly according to rumors, is that Mountain Lion is supposed to come out later this week. So I'm going to wait out for that to buy the server version of OS X. Alright, so here we are. Mac Mini, Apple logo, power, Ethernet, Firewire 800, HDMI, Thunderbolt, USB 2.0, SDXC card slot, and the audio ports. Thunderbolt, Core i5, OS X line. Here's the computer itself. Apple. It's nice of Apple to include the HDMI to DVI adapter. I'm not sure why they do that, but I guess people use DVI. I personally use VGA more than DVI, but hey, who knows. Here's the power source. Usually the manual it usually comes with, and my favorite, the Apple stickers. Pretty mad that Apple no longer gives you a free cleaning cloth. I got one for my 2009 MacBook Pro. Apparently they don't give it for the new Macs at all anymore, or the new iPods, iPhones, etc. Let's open up the Mac Mini. Here we are. The Apple logo reflects. Pure aluminum right here. Mac Mini. This thing's easy to twist to try to get it open, to be able to change your RAM. And here's everything: your power source, the power button, Ethernet, Firewire, HDMI, Thunderbolt, 4 USB ports, your headphone jack and outlet for the AUX, I believe, and the SD card slot. It's easy to open, just twist the cover. Here's the Wi-Fi, well, it's not called the airport anymore. Wi-Fi, just antenna, your RAM, battery info, and the fan. Behind all of this is the hard drive. I'll be making a video of how to upgrade your RAM on the Mac Mini. So there you have it. That's the Mac Mini unboxing video. Thanks for watching the Stereo Tech unboxing videos. I will be uploading more videos of the Mac Mini and as a Mac Mini server. Look forward to those videos. Thanks.